Okay, we've got the Maxpeedingrods turbos here. It actually came a day later than I was expecting. They had a delay with FedEx, but that's always why I say if God is willing, because I am not in charge of all of this. God's in charge of it all. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and we'll see what this turbo looks like compared to the other one. Now, I will compare this turbo side by side to the other GT35 turbo. Oh, nice. Yeah, they've definitely stepped their game up for sure. That's a cool Maxpeedingrods sticker. Definitely going to use this one. It's actually like a chrome, kind of like a factory car badge. I like that. Thanks, Maxpeedingrods. I really like that. We're going to compare this one side by side, though, for sure to see. Definitely neatly packaged. Got brand new gaskets. They're not all bent up, so that's very good. And you can take all the packaging out. Oh, that's cool. This one even has a Maxpeedingrods over the intake. That is awesome. They've definitely changed things up since I got in a turbo last. So, definitely awesome. We'll go ahead and take this out of the box. It's definitely nice and sealed up so no dirt or debris can get in there. So, go ahead and open this. Now, this turbo, when you just look at it, looks the exact same as the other one. But, as you can see on this one, it's got a gold impeller on it. Looks really, really nice, really cool. And the turbo casing itself says Maxpeedingrods, so that is absolutely awesome. This is going to look really good in the engine bay for sure. Besides that, it looks pretty much the same as the other one. So upon first comparison, you're just going to probably think it's a marketing ploy to make more money, but they are different turbos. So this one here, as you can see, the impellers are different on the compressor side. The casing looks pretty much the same. They're both 4-inch inlets. Both of them have the same exact diameters. It is a 57 trim turbo. Both of them support 600 horsepower, but there are differences. So I'm going to start with this one here. It is made of a ductile iron, QT450. It is 700 degrees Celsius iron on the actual part where it spools up from the exhaust gases. So the iron part is 1292 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's still pretty hot. While this one here is 850 degrees Celsius, which is 1562 degrees Fahrenheit. It is definitely a higher heat rating, so it helps with the prolonging of the life of the turbo. Now this one here is a K418 alloy, capable of 900 degrees Celsius, which is 1652 Fahrenheit. But over here is a K419 alloy, 1000 degrees Celsius, and 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, they both are done with VSR balancing. This turbo here, as of today's date, it is $173. Now, today is November 22nd, 2021, so the price may change depending on when you're watching this video. Now, this one is $173 right now. It is actually made of a silicone molybdenum. I can barely even say that word. It is a higher strength steel or iron, so that is why there is an upcharge, because the materials are different. This one is laser cut with a 5-axis milling machine. I'm not sure on this one, it doesn't say. But this turbo's been great to me. So if this one is as good as I think it will be, it should be pretty good on power. It's supposed to spool up just a little bit faster than this previous model. So I am super excited to put this on, and I'm going to leave all the information I found this in the description. Go ahead, click those links, compare them yourself, check out everything. You can use that code on screen to get a discount and save yourself some money. It does help knock a bit of the price off, and I try to do everything I can to help you guys on money. I'm on a budget myself, so I totally get it. But I'm going to go ahead, slap this one on with the new gaskets and all of the hardware, such as my oil inlets and my coolant inlets. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that put on, get it on the truck. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Stay tuned so I can do a pool video for you. Okay, it's all installed, looks pretty good. I went ahead and double checked every bolt just to verify everything's nice and tight. Now we're gonna basically break the turbo in. Now, I like to do this because it lasts longer when you do it this way. So I'm gonna disconnect the fuel injector connectors. It might fire up for a second because of leftover fuel in the cylinders, but I want it to basically crank over so we can build some oil pressure up and get it all circulated before actually starting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, then I'll plug the connectors in, we'll start it up and see how everything goes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up now. Everything's looking good. Don't see any oil leaks or coolant leaks. I double checked all of the gaskets and tightened everything down 2 times just to be sure. Spinning at idle. I want to go ahead and shut it off and see how long it takes for the turbine to stop spinning. Most journal bearing turbos don't spin for very long. I actually haven't seen one spin this long. Wow, that's doing really good. Wow, okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead, put some heat in it, get it started up, get it warmed up, and we'll take it out for a spin. So, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple pulls and we'll see how it does. So, here we go. I definitely love how this turbo's performing. The boost definitely comes in sooner for sure. I can already tell. I'm gonna go ahead and do another pull and try to get view of the speedometer on this spool. Maxpeedingrods GT35 82R turbos. Man, I love them. Even only on 10 pounds. That was only 10 pounds of boost. It is pulling fantastic. My clutch can only barely keep up, but there is a lot of tire spin. So I am really happy with this turbo. Looks good, sounds good, and pulls hard. So that's good enough for me.